So this is the box. Here we go. It's a Soundbuds Surge. This little flap got ripped open. It's got lightweight design. It says play longer, and it is water resistant. So yeah, I have to read this take. These are the Soundbuds Surge, and this is the box. So this tab got flipped open a little bit. So the box, blue stripe, a back, just says choice of 20 plus million happy users, and it does come with an 18 month warranty, which is good. Like all Anker products, like this boy, the speaker here, you can check out the review of that. But yeah, so the box, it's got the pictures of the earbuds. It says lightweight design, play longer, and it's water resistant. And so if you open it up here, you just take this tab, flip it back, and then open. So this is what it comes with. It comes with some ear tips. There you go. Put that to the side. Comes with, if some of them fell out, different size ear tips. So these have not the over ear, but like in ear design like this. So these are good for workout. I have used this workout, and then what we all came here for is the earbuds. Now it comes in a nice pouch. It's got a really nice magnetic here. That's what it sounds like that. It's kind of satisfying just to fidget with it. Not as satisfying as like the AirPods case, but it's nice. And open it up, and here are the bad boys themselves. Anker Soundbuds Surge, magnetically clipped together. And yeah, so these are pretty good. This is what they look like. And like said, this is what they fit in. It fits in ear, and it does have a magnetic latch with the other one, so you can put it around your neck and wear it like a necklace, or you can really do anything. And yeah, it's pretty nice. Here is the inline mic controls for that. So play, pause, volume up, volume down, and you can hold or double tap, skip. It's your regular controls. So yeah, that is the overview of the earbuds. So these earbuds have Bluetooth 4.1, so not the greatest newest Bluetooth 5.0, but it's still pretty good. And you can get these on Amazon for $20, where I live, $30 Canadian. And you can find them cheaper, so Black Friday, Prime Day, Christmas, whatever, they'll drop. So don't pay $30 for them. You can get them for $25, $20 Canadian. And yeah, so the tips here, nice rubbery material. If it would focus, that'd be nice. It's not, but nice rubbery material, which is good. It feels good in the ear. I've worn it for the most at a time, like 4 hours. Doesn't really hurt wearing them. And they have a nice speaker grill inside. I can actually take this off for you guys. So this is what it looks like. There's a little bit of earwax. It's kind of disgusting. But, yeah, it's not really focusing. And you can take this off too, just going like that, and this is what they look like naked with nothing on it. Kind of looks weird. And putting it back is really easy. Just go like that. And yeah, so overall I think these are some really good earbuds. This is a nice feature, being able to just snap it together, something that you won't get with earbuds like AirPods or truly wireless. But Beats X have this. So you could say this is a Beats X knockoff. Kind of. I mean, it kind of looks the same. But these are really good. And let's talk sound quality. So, sound quality on these, generally it's pretty good. I'm not an audiophile. Bass is good, mids, highs, lows, all pretty good. For the price, these are amazing. Not just sound quality, but connection, battery life is really good. I've been getting about 9 hours of battery life. I think it's advertised at 10. But still, 9 hours is good. It charges pretty quick. It charges micro USB. There's just a little port here on the side. You guys can see that. I'll flip it open. Micro USB port. So that helps it be waterproof. Yep, these do not fall out of my ears. Worked out with these. These are good. But yeah, generally these are really good earbuds, and I'd say they're probably the best. $30 and under. You can find these are available at Amazon. You can find them at some Walmarts. Yeah. I'll have the product link in the description of the video if you want to help support the channel and get that. But besides that, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comment section any products you want me to review, and it'd be nice if you could hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys soon. Peace.